Hello everyone. First of all, thank you to the French National Research Institute for Sustainable Development for this opportunity. We, a team from Malaysia, will conduct a project entitled Rouge of the Sky and Ground, Impact of Pest Animals on Urban Communities. This project, also known as RAW. The project leader is Professor Dr. Sazali Abu Bakar, the Director of HICOE Tropical Infectious Diseases Research and Education Center, University Malaya. These are the team members from Malaysia. We have Professor Dr. Sazali Abu Bakar to lead the project on study design, pathogen detection, and data analysis. Then we have myself, Dr. Norhida Yusahimin, to work on the sampling, pathogen detection, and data analysis. Next, we have Dr. Zubaidah Yaakob to work on sampling, ectoparasites detection, and data analysis. Then we have Dr. Long Shi Keng to work on sampling, cell culture, and molecular detections. And finally, we have Dr. Lo Van Loon to work on the sampling, molecular detection, and sequencing part. The partners for this project are Professor Serge Moran from France, Professor Kitipon Chaisiri from Thailand, Professor Wayan Swana from Indonesia, and Professor Upik Kesumawati Hadi from Indonesia. The first objective for this study is to determine the factors impacting rodents and crows infestation in the urban city. Then we are going to determine the prevalence of selected zoonotic pathogens and to identify zoonotic diseases transmission risk. And the third objective is to analyze the knowledge, attitudes, and practices of urban communities regarding One Health and to build a One Health urban communities of practice. We are going to start by obtaining the research design and ethical considerations. For the study sites, we will be collaborating with the local authorities in their pest control activities. Rodents and crows captured by the local authorities will be shared with us. Similarly, we are going to do the survey within the neighborhood of the sampling sites. Then we will do the sample identification, collection of ectoparasites, blood and tissue samples, and then the detections of pathogens. And the last part, data obtained will be analyzed for statistical correlation. The project will start in February this year with project kick-off meeting with all the research partners and planning for the sampling. At the same time, we are going to obtain the relevant ethical approval as well as to determine the sampling sites and develop and validate the questionnaires. By end of February, we are going to start our sample collection and processing. We are also going to start the survey prior to ethical approval. By March, we are going to start the detections of pathogens, and by May, we are going to start with the statistical analysis. Then in July, we will start to prepare the final report, manuscripts, and policy paper. The project is expected to end by November 2022. For the dissemination plan, we will have manuscripts to be published in High Impact Journal, policy brief, One Health Urban Communities of Practice module, and program announcement and information through the media. That is all for this project. Thank you.